Maserati isn't doing well. Sales for the Italian brand collapsed in 2024, and they saw a 48% decline through the first 3 months of 2025. That's bleak. The poor sales have led to rumors that Stellantis might sell the Italian brand, but the automotive conglomerate continues to deny any such allegations. Stellantis did so again this week when Reuters asked the automaker if it had plans to sell Maserati amid a new rumor. A spokesperson rebuffed the allegation and told the publication, "Respectfully, Maserati is not for sale," reconfirming its commitment to the brand. However, Reuters' two sources allege McKinsey, the consultant Stellantis hired in April to navigate President Donald Trump's new import tariffs, could recommend that the automaker divest in Maserati in some way. It's supposedly one of the options McKinsey is exploring for the automaker. According to one source, Stellantis has told the consultancy to consider all possibilities for the ailing brand. However, McKinsey is allegedly still in the early phases of its work, so any definitive decision about Maserati's future is unlikely to arrive anytime soon. Another source told Reuters there's disagreement among the board about what to do with the Italian company. Some supposedly believe the brand has value to the automaker as its only luxury mark, but others think Stellantis doesn't have the resources to support Maserati as it struggles to revamp its lineup. Maserati's lacking lineup. Maserati has discontinued the Ghibli and the Levante, two of its best-selling models, but their replacements won't arrive until 2027 and 2028, respectively. That leaves the $80,000 Grecale, pictured below, as its only SUV in an industry where consumers continue to flock to such vehicles. It also sells the Gran Turismo, a coupe, and the MC20 supercar. Neither of those cars has broad appeal, and neither are enough to keep a brand afloat. Last year, former Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares admitted that Maserati was in the red. Replacing the Levante and Ghibli could help turn around the brand's sales and financial outlook, but the luxury market is highly competitive. Alfa Romeo, another of Stellantis' Italian companies, is revamping its lineup, and it can't have products that interfere with Maserati's and vice versa. That leaves little room for either.